It's Dyno Day, it's Dyno Day. I get to go to the dyno and get a tune and she's gonna haul ass.
In a world full of cheap coilovers, tow hooks, and eBay turbos, one man set out to create a channel to educate, motivate, break things, fix those things that he broke, but most importantly, make the mistakes so you don't have to. Join him as he goes driving through life.
Do you like my Dyno Day song? So, previous episode of Driving Through Life, told you guys that the next step, because I put on the long tube headers, she's running a little bit rich. The rear O2s are just freaking out right now. And it's best with a tune. So what we're going to do is we're going to head down to Premier Performance in Salt Lake City on State, and we are going to have them tune the GTO, which I'm pumped about, obviously. And it's a nice truck. We are also going to get some hard figures as to what she puts out with the long tube headers. The last dyno that this was on, I have a dyno sheet from a while back, and it basically just had the intake on it and the Copo cam. So back then it was basically stock. It looked like it put down about 325. It was on a Mustang dyno. So I don't know. That was a long time ago. That was from the previous owner. So not quite. Oh, fucking sprinklers. God damn it. You wash your car, and then a giant goddamn sprinkler on the side of the road is just watering the road. It's not watering the grass. It's watering the fucking road. Okay. I'm back. So, we're going to head down to Premier Performance. They're going to tune out those O2 sensors, give her a good workup, and we're going to get some numbers as to what she's putting down. So, I'm excited. Stay tuned.
Watching the video. If you like it, like and subscribe.
All right, so just leaving Premier. No cops, no cops, no cops, no cops. Okay. So to start off with, I couldn't get a baseline of what it was at, just because it was running really, really lean to start with. So he didn't make like a full pull. He had to make it not lean anymore. So after a few runs, we actually did really well. We hit 400, which is the high end of what I thought it'd be. So I'll show you the dyno sheet once I get home. It's 4021, but we're gonna do a nice little pull to get on the highway all the way up to exactly 70 miles an hour, because that's legal and I never ever speed. So the power should be a lot more linear now. Shouldn't have any more backfires or anything like that. Yep, exactly 70 miles an hour. I tell you, man, that power is much more linear now. I think the last dyno sheet I had, the one that came with it from the dude that I bought this from, was like 340 or something like that. I don't know how accurate that was. I don't know. I think it was on a Mustang dyno. This was a dyno jet. I don't know if it was a hub dyno. I really don't know anything about how he dynoed it last. So, but 400 horse on just a mile cam, long tubes, MagnaFlows. I'm pretty pumped. So we'll take a look at the sheet here when I get home. That'll do, donkey. That'll do. All right, so back home. So looking at this, we made 402.1 horsepower. Now the first run that he did, the first pull he did, he stopped at, let's see, he stopped at around 4,500 RPM. Our horsepower was at 343 to start off, or not to start off with, but at about 4,700 horsepower. So I believe that it looked like, I think from the last dyno sheet I looked at, she was around 360, maybe 370, something like that. 402.1, I'm at altitude. I have, you know, again, the mods that I have, Lingenfelter intake. I have the full pace setter, long tube headers, catless mids, MagnaFlow mufflers. And, you know, that's honestly just about it. From factory, the guy who owned it before me took it back to GM and had them put it on a Copo package, which is normally reserved for vets. But it comes with a little bit more of an aggressive transmission tune. It comes with a little bit more of an aggressive cam and a couple other things here and there. So overall, I'm happy. Obviously, I want a little bit more like everyone, but this is very, very smooth, linear power, 401 horsepower, 402 at altitude. So I think it's a damn good result, to be honest. So big thanks to Premier Performance for tuning this. Very, very reputable shop, great dyno, great tuner. If you're in the Salt Lake City area, check them out. Now, I did do a little bit of a giveaway when I was at the shop. I wanted to give away a Lost Socket Garage t-shirt. So I put out there on the Facebook and the Instagram how to enter and to put a guess as to the horsepower. And Ruben Sanchez, you, my friend, are the proud owner of a brand new Lost Socket Garage t-shirt. So congratulations on that. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. That's at Lost Socket Garage on both of them. For more giveaways, I plan on doing a lot more stuff here in the future as far as giveaways and contests and all that good stuff. So follow me on those. A lot more to come. I don't know what's next. Next is probably going to be the episode that I keep saying is next, and that is the Mitsubishi on Car Builder's Corner. Working on schedules. It's very, very soon to come. I'm thinking about buying a blow-off valve and doing a little blow-off valve episode with the WRX or an intake. I haven't decided what I'm going to do next on that front. GTO, I'd like a Veraram intake. I'd like to put some carbon fiber bits. I'd like to do some wrapping on the truck because every time I'm driving down the road, there's a chrome piece that goes around the shifter that's really, really bright. So I want to wrap that in carbon fiber, just vinyl wrap. Let me know what you'd like to see here on the channel. It really, really helps if you like. It really, really helps if you comment. Let me know what type of stuff you'd like me to do in the GTO or to the WRX or, you know, in the truck, etc. Input helps content creators. If you like the channel at all, if you like the content, drop a subscribe, share the channel with your gearhead friends. And if you're looking to get some sweet merch, go to lostsocketgarage.com with the dub in front. Thanks for hanging along with me. Until next time, do what you love. Be happy. Don't be a dick. And above all, keep on driving.